Brian Sensei here. In this video, we're going to look at Vacation Responder in Gmail. This is a great feature to use when you're going to be out of the office on vacation, for example, and you want to let people know that you cannot reply right away. When they email you, they'll get an instant reply based on your customized message. Let's check it out. Okay, so here I am in the Gmail app. I'm going to go up here to the top right and click on the gear. This is my settings, and then I'm going to click on See All Settings. All right, now we're going to stay in the General tab, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom, where we will see Vacation Responder. All right, so here we see Vacation Responder is off. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Now here we see first day. This is the first day of your vacation or your time out of office. And then over to the right, you can set the last day, which means this is the last day of your vacation or your time out of the office. Now, I like to set this because if you don't, then you have to remember to come back in here and turn off the Vacation Responder. So I can set the last day, and I can choose the date just by clicking here on the existing date. And so if I'm going to be back in the office on the 25th, then I can set my last day out of the office as the 24th. All right. Now, here you have a subject that you can customize. So when somebody tries to email you, they're going to get this automatic message sent back, and the subject of that message will be whatever you type here. I just went ahead and put out of office reply. Then down here in the message, you can provide a custom, more detailed response. All right, so I like to have a little fun with this. Mine says, "Where's Brian? He's away from his desk for now, but he has been known to check his email on occasion. He will be back on September 25th, 2025. Brian's email assistant." All right, now the last thing here is if you only want these email responses to go to people in your contacts, then you can go ahead and check this box. I like to do that. And the final thing you need to do is make sure you click Save Changes. This doesn't auto save as you click. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Save Changes. And now you will notice at the top of my screen, we have this yellow strip and it reads Out of Office Reply. So this is a reminder to you that you have your out of office reply active. What's cool about this is they give you a link here to end it now, or you have a link back to those vacation settings. I'm going to go ahead and click Vacation Settings. And this takes me back to the general settings. I'll scroll down and I can go ahead and turn this off. And again, this doesn't auto save, so you'll want to make sure you click Save Changes. Also, you will notice that the next time you use this, your subject and message will be there just the way you left them. I'll go ahead and click Save Changes, and you'll notice now that yellow bar has gone away. All right, and that is how you use the Vacation Responder in Gmail. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. If you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.